Hello everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to use the WhatsApp Bulk Message Sender, the ultimate tool for sending messages efficiently through WhatsApp. Whether you're a small business owner, an event organizer, or just looking to send bulk messages to friends and family, this extension is designed to simplify your communication needs. Step 1. Download and install. First, download the WhatsApp Bulk Message Sender from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you'll see its icon right in your browser toolbar. Step 2. Log into WhatsApp Web. Before you start, make sure to log into WhatsApp Web by scanning the QR code with your phone. This syncs your WhatsApp account with the extension. Step 3. Prepare your CSV file. Now, prepare your CSV file, which should include phone numbers in the first column. If you want to personalize messages, add more columns for dynamic content such as names or appointment dates. Here's a sample layout on your screen. Remember, you can download a sample CSV file to get started easily. Step 4. Compose your message. Next, type your message in the provided text area. Use placeholders like dynamic_1 to personalize messages. Each placeholder corresponds to a column in your CSV file. For instance, dynamic_1 might be the customer's name. Step 5. Attach media for premium users. If you're a premium user, you can attach images, videos, or PDFs to your messages for more engaging communication. Step 6. Send messages. Once everything is set, click Start Sending. The extension will process each contact from your CSV file and send personalized messages. You'll see the progress on your screen. Step 7. Confirmation. After all messages have been sent, you'll receive a confirmation. Now you can sit back and enjoy effective communication with your contacts. For premium features, to access premium features like sending attachments, click on the Login, Sign Up button in the extension. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard to activate premium services by entering an access code, which you can get by paying a small fee. Thank you for choosing WhatsApp Bulk Message Sender. Get started today to enhance your messaging capabilities and make your communication process as smooth as ever. For more information and updates, visit our website or check out other helpful tutorials on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy messaging!